What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, and we are here with a Volted update. I just wanted to quickly pull up on the chart, show y'all what I'm taking a look at, and tell you why this is bullish. So right now, Volt Inu trading at that 75.13 level, down about 3.9% on the day, in pace with the rest of the market. So if you're feeling it on Volt, just know that the overall market is slightly having a correction today as well. But what we're here to see that, is looking very bullish to us, myself, particularly, is if you take a look at these indicators right here we're using, this is called our Bollinger Bands. We got Volt Inu's price trading along this lower Bollinger Band. This is usually telling you that you're getting it for a cheap price. It means also that the price is likely to find support around here. Notice how when the price pulled back, it touched this line and immediately we got this thin green candle in. This is, because the overall market was bearish, but with the price tapping this, there's going to be some investors who already know to go long here. Also, if you take a look at the RSI is at a 36. 35 and below is considered oversold. So right now, people are undervaluing Volt Inu for the value that it truly should be valued at. So that's another good sign, meaning that you're basically going to be buying it at the cheapest point before things take off. Now, if we look at our MACD as well, we got the MACD under the signal line. Once this line here, the blue line, starts to cross above this red line, that's when you're gonna want to go long, because the rest of the market will go long as well. Now you can wait for all those confirmations, but some investors who understand this, they'll put their foot in the door right now, just so that way they can save a seat for themselves before this takes off. So right now, with all these indicators lining up, this is telling us Volt Inu is cheap and it's also likely to want to turn around. Why does it want to turn around? We got a doji candle at the bottom of a slight downtrend. Usually when we see a doji candle forming at the bottom of that downtrend, it tells us that a reversal is near. It doesn't mean it's coming right away, but it means that it's likely to come soon. So stay in tune, man. We got Vatoshi over here keeping us updated on Twitter. Let's check this out. Not too much going on today, but this is why we keep everybody voted. This is why you want to continue to tell everybody, about Volt Inu. Even when, the market is having, a slower day, you still want to educate people, inform people, entertain people, whatever we can do, to get people on the Volt train. So VoltiChange is burning based on volume. Imagine something burning based on the market cap / price. A little birdie told us there's a small difference. So basically breaking that down right here, crypto market cap at $1.06 trillion, 24-hour volume, $44.5 billion, y'all. A lot of money moving in and out of crypto. Voted to welcome Hawkson Labs is the 67th project adding the VoltiChange widget to their website, y'all. It's super, super bullish, y'all. 67 projects already, and we're getting close to that 100 project that will all be burning Volt Inu on VoltiChange. So, connect the dots, y'all. One of these projects will be a, 100x, 1000x. And when it happens and their community is used to buying and selling it on VoltiChange, it's going to be a ridiculous amount of volume and burn for Volt Inu holders. So, Vatoshi says SHIB token and SHIB the metaverse unleash the burns. So, let's take a few moments to see what it can actually do for any projects in the industry, for example. So we went through this already. This is an older post from November, basically showing, why it's a win-win situation for every project to basically list Volt Inu. So, excuse me, not list Volt Inu, but add the VoltiChange widget or use VoltiChange. So before looking at the impact of this decentralized exchange, let us recall the main features. 0.25% fee burning every token traded, 0.25% of every trade buying back and burning Volt, every ERC20/BEP20 automatically listed, no listing fees, liquidity to provide. So absolutely free. Burning tokens has become a key topic for all projects, especially the SHIB army, always looking for new ways to reduce its supply. Based on the statistics compiled by SHIBburn.com, SHIB has burned an average of 15.4 million tokens over the last 21 days. So if we look at what would happen if the SHIB army were to shift just 5% of today's volume, $89 million onto VoltiChange, this would represent a daily SHIB volume of $4.4 million on VoltiChange, which would generate a daily burn of $11,000. So this would mean a burn of 1.2 billion SHIB based on the above assumptions and based on the volume of a bearish day. Yet this is a 7,900% burn rate increase compared to the 3 weeks average. So why wouldn't you vote your burns, especially without any listing fees / liquidity required? Absolutely bullish. Nobody else has built anything like this in the space. But Toshi has the best utilities that's rolling out. We got VoltiFlex coming as well. Shout out to Ian, just flexed it up right there with the VoltiFlex. Mass adoption and a project that doesn't stop burning supply. We are just getting started. That's what you got to know. When it comes to Vote Inu, it might seem like, yes, we've been around more than a year, but this is still the infancy of Volt. Imagine what Volt is going to do in the bull market, y'all. This is where you need to connect the dots on. So sleep on the dragon and you'll get voted. Top 10 NFTs by 1 month social mentions. We got Digi, Daiku, Genuine Undead, God Hates NFTs, and number 4, VDSC Official, y'all. We are up here mentioned in the likes of Azuki, Other Side Meta, Killer Bears, Ringa, Moonbirds, and Decentraland, y'all. We got more mentions on VDSC than Decentraland, y'all. Connect the dots. That's extremely bullish. Now, Shiba Swap sent SHIB to the multi-billions and on all the tier 1s in 2021 with 100 plus exchanges, 57,000 plus holders, and VoltiFlex around the corner. Will we see history repeat itself with Volt? I say yes. So shout out to Pablo for holding it down. He's doing a 90 seconds of shine, allowing 10 different projects to speak basically, what their project is about, possibly. I'm not sure what it would be, but shout out to Pablo though. 66 project adding the VoltiChange widget to let their community buy directly from the website. Let's see what that is. So Boxa, a new generation of travel experience, Boxa token. Okay, interesting. I can see they are followed by a few people that I follow. So cool to see that. Then we got Believes Crypto saying big week for crypto and Volt. Absolutely. Now Node says they can't wait to pay in Volt. So this is bullish that we got, people operating nodes, basically fastest and easiest access to more than 60 plus popular blockchain nodes and block explorers. And we got these people saying they can't wait till they can pay in Volt. That's bullish, y'all. So how much Volt is enough Volt? Can never have enough Volt. It's a trick question. Which project should add the VoltiChange widget to this website next? All of them. Shout out to Jake and Rodney. Also, Ladybug says, ladies, OMG, guess who's coming to Ladies Night? Jake and Crypto Journey. Join us for some Voltic convo with the dynamic duo. So shout out to them for holding it down and representing with the ladies. Shout out to Ladybug for putting that all together. And then new week, new VoltiChange integrations. DHP, Diamond Hand Protocol, just became the 65th project to add the widget. I like the name of this project. Small following though right now. And this is also a cheat code, y'all. A lot of these projects that are adding Vote Inu right now, adding the widget, they're looking for a community. They're looking for, people to help those projects, elevate. So if you're somebody looking for those low cap, super low cap gems, then this is an easy way to tap into a few. Not financial advice, not saying that there are, any of them are, the best project or anything like that, but you definitely want to do your due diligence. So that's all we got for this video. Remember, Vote Inu's technicals on the charts are looking absolutely bullish, y'all. I know it's red right now, but that's when you want to enter. You don't want to enter and chase those green candles. So I really want to protect y'all from chasing green candles, buying at the top, and then ending up having to sell low because you were chasing. So keep that in mind. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Hit the like button on the way out, and we are out.